every single day you guys are going to want to tune in because the game has changed, baby. My fam has been the best fam, and I haven't even been going 100%, and that's the crazy thing. So it's time to take over, family. It is time to take over. You guys are gonna want to tune in every single day because it's about to be summertime. I got crazy flips. I got crazy, like, my house is turned into a warehouse right now. I'm gonna show you some products when I get to the house. There's gonna be a lot of different things we're gonna be doing now. A lot of eBay selling as well. We're not leaving Amazon alone. Amazon's always going to be there, and we're going to continue selling on Amazon as well, but there's going to be a lot of eBay selling because there's some crazy flips on eBay. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about when I get to the house. But from now on, every day, you guys are going to want to tune in. If not every day, every other day, I'm going to be dropping a video. And yeah, so just be ready. Be ready, family. I'm going to see y'all at the house. Right now, we out to get some groceries. We about to get some groceries. Ain't that right? Nah, ain't that right? Okay.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows.
Thanks everybody for downloading the intro song. If you guys want to get the full version of the intro song, the link is in the description. You guys can go download it on iTunes, Amazon Music, Apple Music. So that's amazing. Thanks you guys a lot for the support. That's awesome. Also, the intro you just seen. The intro you just seen is from a subscriber, a part of the family. So I want to give a big shout out to Nathan Reisler. I think that's how you pronounce your name. Alright, so on Instagram, his name is Nathan, Nathan, space RHYS, space LEAR. Alright, that's his name, from London, UK. He actually created the intro video you just seen. He's a videographer, I believe. He knows how to do a lot of that film work stuff. He seems pretty good to me, so that's pretty awesome. Big shout outs to you, Nathan. If anybody that needs video work, you reach out to him. Maybe he'll hook you up and do some stuff for you. But yeah, big shout out to Nathan. Hey yo, thanks fam. So I'm gonna go through a little bit of this stuff to show you guys some of the profits that I'm gonna be making. It's insane. I'm gonna make a couple. It's a couple $1,000s worth of profits, and I said profits with a P. Yes, this is a couple $1,000s, right? Just right here in my kitchen, a couple $1,000s in profit. And I'm gonna show you a few items, just to show you guys. We have some baby products here, and I'm gonna list these on eBay. So as you can see, we got baby product here in the box, nice, new, and I checked a lot of these. They're all new, and the thing is, I ran into some of them that were damaged from either falling or crushed, because I got a lot of this, all of this stuff, most of this stuff I got from the thrift store. I'm not gonna list this stuff on Amazon because there's a lot of them. So there's a lot of products here, and I got from the thrift store. And just to be safe, I'm going to list these on eBay, and because I've seen that they're selling on eBay. So let me show you guys, for example, what I am talking about. If I open up my eBay account here, I advise all of you guys to get an eBay account. It's really easy to have an account with eBay. I'm gonna type in what I want to sell. So let's go to, I'm gonna type in the exact product really quick. Alright, so here we go. Here's the product, right? And then on eBay, what you want to do is you want to filter, and you want to click the sold items, because you want to make sure that the item that you have, or that you're about to buy or want to buy, you want to make sure that it's selling on eBay. And also, this is a step that I see everybody do. This is a step that I see a lot of sellers on eBay do, which is they click the sold items, which is correct. But an extra step that I like to take is I actually like to go to sort, and I like to do by date recent first. So I actually see when these items have been sold. So I sort it by date as well. So I want to see the sold items by the most recent date, right? And it'll just tell me, like, you know, one was sold on the 24th of this month, another one was sold on the 18th, another one was on the 15th. So yeah, these are selling like hotcakes. Not only that, I get to see the exact dates when they've been sold. So now it brings me to believe that I know these are going to sell, which is why I already have them all here. And so now, guys, I have about, I don't know, what, 10 of them out here or so, maybe less, maybe a little bit more out right here. And what I can see is what I do on the eBay app is I scan through to see what they've been selling for, new and used, right? Even though these are used, I mean new, so I'm gonna look at the new listings, right? And I can see they've been selling for $36.99, $26, $27. $38, $24, $37, $21, $44, $39. Alright, so give or take, on average, we're looking at around 32 bucks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna list mine for $29.99. I'm gonna list mine for $29.99. The way eBay works, it's all about like weight, and this is where calculating the weight and actually getting the weight of your item is important with eBay, because it tells a lot. If anything's under a pound, you have more like leeway to do more things. If it's over a pound, you know, it goes by weight with eBay. So I already weighed this box, and what they weigh less than a pound. They're about 12 ounces. So that's cool. That's good. It's under a pound, which is a certain term. It's just a certain type of shipping we can do with eBay when it's under a pound. I forget the name of it because I'm not an eBay guru yet. I'm decent, so I know how to make money on eBay. So all right, guys. So this is under a pound, right? And I'm gonna list it at $29.99, and then what you want to do is you want to multiply that by 13%, because eBay is going to take 13%, and it's going to give you what you're actually going to make, which I already did, and I'm going to make around $25.50 on each one of these, right? So I'm going to make $25.50 on each one of these, and I have, look, just right here, and I have boxes full. I have boxes full. I put them in boxes, guys. So, well, actually I bought them in boxes from the thrift store, and I just took all the boxes. So check this out, guys. So I have 25, 50, 75, 100, 25, 50, 75, 100, 25, 50, 75, 100. That's $300 sitting right here, and I just took this out of one box. Legit, guys, if we come over here, it's either 1, 2, I have at least 2 more boxes full of these. I have about 40 of them, right? 40 of them, 40. So that's over $1,000 right there in profits just on one item on eBay, right? And legit, what I'm going to do is just list them and send them as people buy them. That's how simple it is with eBay. Now, guys, I have other items here. Check this out. This is an item. Now, some of these items, like I said, I got back from Amazon, right? So this is a brand new item that I was going to sell on Amazon, but is an as seen on TV item. What happened with this item is the company actually you know, doesn't want any other sellers to resell the item or whatnot. So I guess I just send it back to myself, and things like that can happen all the time. It's no big deal. So I just send it back to myself, and I'm going to list it on eBay or give it away as a gift, but I'm probably going to make money on it. So yeah, that's another item. I got a couple of those. I have, check this out, guys. There's so much stuff here. Look, there's a mop dolly here. So brand new. I got this one. Like I said, we have $300 in profits just right here on the outside. There's more. There's more. Another one. You see what I'm saying? Like, there's so many, right? There's so many, and those are just one. That's just one item. I have multiple different items. Well over, just on this alone, just on this one item alone, over $1,000 in profit. The other items, over a couple thousand. If I take you over here, this is what I said I need like a, you guys seen these the other day. This is over $100 in profit that I found in less than 5 minutes at the Goodwill. Those are actually going to Amazon though. And a lot of Amazon stuff right here in this corner. A lot of bags, a lot of items right here. Probably over $100. Another couple, $200 in profits right here. all in this corner right here. Yeah, it's that simple. Little Nana right here. She's following me. Say what's up, Nana. Say what's up. Say hi. But yeah, it's that crazy, family. The only reason, and listen, I'm showing you this stuff just to show you what is possible. Like this was a 1-day find. This was a 1-day find. I paid $4 for each of those. Only 4. That's why it's gonna be $25 in profit, guys. Wait, no, that math ain't right. I paid $4 for each of those. You guys do the math. You guys do the math. So I know I said in profit. So like technically, yeah, in profits, it's still over $1,000 in profits. But that is a crazy ROI. That I spent $4 for each of these at the thrift store. $4 because I bought them all. And they were going for more than that. She actually had them listed, I think, for around 10 or maybe even a little bit higher. But since I bought all of them, even the defected ones, even the ones that I can't sell because they were crushed and whatnot, but it was only like maybe 6 of them that were crushed out of the 40 that I have. So yeah, and plus all the other items, plus all the other boxes. When you do stuff like that at thrift stores, they give you deals. No matter what, they'll give you deals. That's why I love thrift stores, guys. That's why I love to do that. Because if you walk in there with cash and you say, listen, I want them all. You say that word, I want to take them all. What can you do for me? They'll always hook you up. Like 9 times out of 10, they're going to give you the best deal because they want to get rid of the stuff anyway. So yeah, I got them for $4. I'm gonna make that's a crazy ROI, guys. That's chill. I really don't even have to do nothing anymore. But you know me, I'm still gonna go out, still gonna do some retail arbitrage. I'm still gonna be listing. I'm still gonna be selling on Amazon, eBay. Got a lot of stuff. I can even wholesale this right now if I wanted to. I could find somebody who sells on eBay and just sell it to them in wholesale and not even have to deal with anything. But I'm probably gonna list it all myself and make the extra money. But yeah, family, it's that simple. And listen, the only reason why I'm showing you this right now for this vlog is because I actually got a comment saying, hey Lavar, you showed us boxes and we seen the top box you only had a little bit of, so that's all. How do we know you're gonna make? Listen, dude, like honestly, look at the mess. First off, I took all this out for the vlog, right? And then I just took out 2 more little boxes, and look at the top of that now. 2 more little boxes, look at the top of that. Look at on my kitchen table now. I got products. If I empty all these boxes just to prove a point to you, then I'm gonna have a mess. Are you gonna come clean it up for me? I'll wait. I'll wait. You gonna come clean it up for me? That's why I didn't take it all out the boxes. But yeah, guys, I got thousands of dollars in profits right here. Yeah, and this is why also I need a space. I had a storage unit. I think I'm gonna go back to my storage unit because it's gonna get ridiculous this summer, guys. So tune in. You already know what it is. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you slap that bell to get notified. And give this video a thumbs up and share it. And like, look, we gotta take over. We gotta take over, family. We gotta take over the YouTube. Like, I see a lot of resellers online. It's no hate. It's all peace and love. And but we just gotta be the biggest channel. So let's get it. Let's get it, family. It is peace and love. I am out. Peace.